Hi guys, and welcome to a walkthrough of Cavelon, sorry. Cavelon's Townies whiskey. I came across Avalon while I was trying to remember this game, and Avalon I remember thinking looked great. One of my last Spectrum games I played, I recorded it on tape and everything, VHS, but I couldn't move around in it. I couldn't play it, and I just recorded a video which I had to just stop because it was getting hilarious. So a lot of these games, they just don't really work properly on the emulator, and I'm not sure why. I played a lot of them with Kempston too, so it's obviously a bit strange playing it on the keyboard. But let's see if I can play this. And I love this game, and I believe I was quite good at it. I always like that intro. I don't know how I remembered the name of this. Right. You know what? I think I played this on an emulator recently, and it's another one of those games that don't work. Oh. Something made me move there. Yeah, this is a real curse. That just nothing works, have you noticed? Literally. Oh! Alright, SXNM. I'm going to start again. And I don't really know how to play this anymore. I think a couple of years ago I may have gone through the same problem. And I gave up. That's just an alarm telling me to wake up. Alright, one. Right. Okay, I can't remember how you shoot. You can get arrows or something. Let me, I'll just pause this so. Can I turn the sound down? I don't want to turn it off. Just use the Windows audio mixer to bring it down a little bit. And I'm sure you can shoot, yeah, but I can't remember how you do it, but let's see. Right. And you get that, bloody hell, that's harder than I remember. You can get that, shield, I think, or something. I mean, that, crucifix thing. Whoa! Yes, much harder than I remember. And I thought you could do stuff yourself. Not just hide, you know? So I think you just have to get parts of the door, but I do remember a way I used to take these guys out, like. Or is it just like Man at Marina where you just watch and have to get the stuff, duck into these little corridors. Whoa! Ah, my God, they're good, aren't they? Immediate death. To be honest, I might watch a demonstration in a minute. I always like that little horse that he skids up on. Ah, go on. It's one of those games where you can't get it pixel perfect, you don't go in sometimes. I remember playing this on long, hot summer days and thinking, wow, what a game. Stay away, mate! Oh. How am I meant to get that? He's literally like... Oh my God, I don't know how you're meant to do it. He's gonna get us again? You gotta hide in here. Oh no, he's away. I've got a sword and a shield, but I don't know if I ever get to use them. That cross does something, I swear. Oh no! I think it's just an extra life, which I killed myself getting in the first place. Well, this is one of those games that, unless I'm playing it wrong, has not stood the test of time at all. I used to be like, whoa, quite excited to play this. I will watch the demonstration in a minute, just in case it actually tells me. And I remember the door would flash and you could open up, but I can't believe I had the skill to do that as a child. They're sharpshooters, like, aren't they? Jesus Christ! Literally, you gotta be miles ahead of them. Totally on the ball. Well, I'm not doing too badly. Is that an extra life? Yeah. Well, I'm not happy being up there. How difficult is this? Oh my goodness! And that's it. Let's have a look at the demonstration. Is that it? Is that the demonstration? So they're bonus objects, and you have to collect the door pieces to get to each level, then do battle with the wizard. So there are battles in this. Alright, we'll give it one more go. It just shows how easily entertained you are when you're a child, and then how easily technologies can move on. Well, I think I quit the game there by accident. How quickly they can move on and suddenly look like total crap. But given that there wasn't another game exactly like this, it still felt exciting. And dodging the bullets and stuff. You know, it felt like the bullets were raining down on you, like Call of Duty does now. But looking back, actually, it's not great, is it? I'm surprised I wasted so much of my life playing it. He's rock, that guy. I'm gonna leave that bit for now. Trick is, get the lives, I think. It really is difficult if you can't kill them, though. Good tune, though. If I ever get to be a musician, I'll make a dance version of the Cavelon track from the ZX Spectrum, and the dance floor will be thriving. Now, they're such good shooters, it's just scary, like, knowing they could be close at any point, and the bullets are, like, quick. I have opened that door once in my life, I swear to God. But yeah, given how difficult it is, I'm surprised I have. Tune. How hard is that? Shit. Are they random or do they have a path? Set path? The life is almost hunting us down. I'm the hardest game in history. Absolutely pointlessly, needlessly hard. With no proper gameplay mechanic to attack back with. Bit of a disappointment, actually. I've had many fond memories of this game. Mostly being destroyed right now. Oh, where? I doubt there's another YouTube on this one, so at least it's a YouTube first. Ow! Oh, losing my ability to have patience. I had loads of lives left. What happened? Alright, one final go. Oh, little donkey. Right, here we go. New routes for a new year. Ah! Whoa, I managed to avoid getting shot. I don't know how. Ooh, Jesus Christ. The least forgiving game in the whole world. Even Remo couldn't do this. It literally is absolutely, virtually impossible. Pure luck if you can get in and out again without dying. Jesus! Well, I'm almost dead again. And it'll probably be literally another 20 years before I play this. If I ever play it again, actually. I was round the corner. That sounds like Call of Duty, doesn't it? Well, that was a very frustrated and disappointed look at Cavelon. Cavelon, yeah. One of my favourite games from Ocean, which has been absolutely destroyed by time. Written by Ocean Limited, who are obviously very good. Year of release, 84. I think I found it a few years after 84, maybe 85 or 86, maybe even later. Authors Paul Owens, Christian F. Urquhart, and David Thorpe. £5.90 initially, apparently. And the intro screen, which I will bring up because the simulator went past it, looks like that, basically. And that's probably what makes it seem so good, this game. But yeah, that's a look at Cavelon. I'm a bit disappointed. I really thought that was going to be awesome. But it helped me discover Avalon too, but I couldn't actually play Avalon because the controls didn't work. Nor could I get Quasitron to work, with the same reason. There's lots of great games out there, but I don't know why the emulators don't always work. I'm going to get my PS4 pack going, disguised as a Kempston. Okay, thanks for watching Cavelon.